Good morning. This is 11:02 in the morning on Saturday the 10th of June. It's very warm. I think it's the warmest day of the year so far. It's like 28 degrees or something ludicrous. Hence why I'm just in t-shirt and shorts today. Today we've got two events. We've got ringing at Twickenham along with some tower tours, and then we've got a wedding at Battersea later on in the afternoon. So part one is Twickenham. Let's go. Okay, we've made it to Twickenham. There's a bit of an oddity at the moment because the line from Clapham down to Richmond and Twickenham is shut. So what they're doing is all the Reading and Winter services are coming in via Kingston, then reversing here, and then going back out the way they would down there. So it actually means if you get on the front of the train at Clapham, you end up at the really far end of the platform at Twickenham. But yeah, there you go. It's Twickenham time.
Well, I won't. I'll do it later. I'll just keep it
All Hallows, there's a ring of 10 in there. That's the Heathrow control tower. That's Kingston over there. Now, so
right, okay.
what are we doing here? Why are we on the tower roof?
We've gone on the roof for free. I've not been on this for a long time, but we've come here.
I've not been up here at all.
No, you haven't, and you've rung here how many times? What,
three or four
times. So that's basically you got the church office there. To the left, to over there, you got All Hallows. You got Heathrow Airport there. You've got Wembley Control Tower. You've also got the LGBTQ flag up there. You've got the St Matthias Church, which I want to get a ring of bells in up there, but
get Michael Wilton Kish to put some.
Yeah. Get Michael on that. Today, seeing as we're on the church roof, we're going to be seeing if we can hear people hear us. We want to see if people can hear us. Okay, so there's a guy there called Bill Stewart. Now he's one of the ringers who took part. So we're going to shout his name and see how loud and see if we can pick it up. Bill Stewart!
Yeah, he
hello!
did it. Hello!
Can you hear me? Okay. Right,
Sorry for the camera shake.
I've not shouted